Hello friends, today I will show you how to change the battery of a UPS. We often see that after 1 or 2 years, the UPS is not giving proper backup, and when we take it to the shopkeeper or to some repair person, they charge us heavy amount for it. So the very basic problem that a UPS faces after 1 or 2 years is the battery problem. The battery is not giving us the proper voltage. So what we have to do is simply to replace that battery. It's very easy to change the battery of a UPS. Only thing that you have to do is to buy a new battery which is having the same dimension and have the same current rating and voltage rating. Right now I am having a 600 volt ampere UPS that was giving power supply to my personal computer, and the battery that has been there in it is a 12 volt and a 7 ampere current rating battery. So I have bought new battery from the market around 600 rupees, and I'm going to change this battery with the old battery that has been present in this UPS. Let's start to open this UPS. As I've told you that it has 4 screws to open this cabinet, and I'm going to open these screws first. So this is what a UPS is. It consists of 3 parts: a transformer that is stepping down our 220 volt supply, a battery, and this is a PCB. So this is the battery that I'm going to change it. Now this battery is now being supported by this extension. We will remove this extension first. So now you can see here, I'm removing this extension first. This one. Now you can see here 2 wires. One is a red wire. This is, you have to disconnect it, and other is this black wire. You can see here it's connected to this black terminal. You can remove it by just pulling it out, sliding it like this, and then you can remove this battery. Like this. Now this is the battery that is not working and that we are going to replace. Now you can check for small batteries, you can check the charging of this battery like this. You can directly short the 2 terminals, positive and negative terminals, with this conductor. You can see there is no spark in it, means it is dead or it is not charged. Don't try it with the heavy batteries. Whereas now I'm going to replace it with this new battery that I have bought at 600 rupees, and if I will short it, you can see a spark in it like this, like this. So this is the charged one. This battery is right. So let's install this battery inside this UPS and let's see that it will work or not. So again, you can see that this battery is having the same dimensions as my previous one, like this. See, these are both of the same dimensions, so this new battery will fit easily into my UPS. this. So let's tighten these two screws. So now you can see that this battery is now quite intact with it, and we have to connect the terminals of the battery. So again, this red one is will be connected to this red part of the battery. And see here, I'm going to connect it over here, like this. And the second one, that is the red one, it will be connected to the red terminal of the battery, black terminal of the battery, like this. Let's switch on it. The red light is glowing over here, means the battery is now working and it is giving supply to us. Let's close it. Like this. Tight the screws. This is working properly, and these are the simple steps to change the battery of a UPS. Thank you for watching.